fashion lovers, welcome again to another interesting video tutorial. In case you're new here, my name is Gift. In today's video, I'll be showing us how to cover our homemade bra cups with our fabric without necessarily sewing on it. Okay, so here I've gone ahead to join my homemade bra cups together to form this cup, as you can see, and then I went ahead to add a lot of hemming gum on the fabrics, that is the fabric parts, the cup fabrics that I've joined together, and I'm just identifying the center point of my bra cup, just like so, the center point. I'm going to be aligning the center point of the cups to the center point of the main fabric, okay, just like so. Please make sure they are aligning. As you can see, I'm just trying to readjust the bra cups just to make sure it is aligning with the main fabric, just like so, okay. After you have gotten your midpoints aligned, after you have aligned them together rather, go ahead with your pressing iron on low heat now, preferably on steam, okay, and then press on it. This way the heat from the iron will automatically melt the hemming gum and allow it to get stick or stuck to the main fabric. Okay, now after you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and adjust your curves into the fabric, like so. Can you see how perfect that looks, even though we are not done? So at this point, I'm just readjusting the curves to make sure the joining on the upper part, like so, is aligning with the joining on the upper part of the main fabric. Okay, you also want to go ahead and tuck in the hemming gum, as you do not want this to get stuck to the surface of your pressing iron. That would be disastrous. So now at this point, I'll go ahead with my pressing iron again and just press on that. Okay, I'll press on it this way. You just want to keep pressing on low heat, remember, on low heat. Now after doing that, the next thing you do is to go ahead and press the right side of the main fabric, just like so. And as you're pressing, you are as well adjusting it just to make sure it is fitted. Okay, now I went ahead with my pins just to secure the bra cups to the main fabric so that I will have enough chance to press on it properly. Ladies, when doing this, oh sorry, fashion designers, when doing this, make sure you adjust it properly. Can you see how beautiful the cups looks? Okay, I'm enjoying this video. Okay, so go ahead and keep pressing on it, until you are sure that you have gotten what you want. Okay, so in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up so that other fashion designers can also get to see this video. Okay, so at this point, I'm done pressing. I'm just readjusting it, pushing the cups in just so it doesn't change in form. Okay, I want it to maintain its shape and its form. Here is the center front and here is the side front, and of course that is the upper part of the cup. I'll keep pressing on this just so it doesn't change in form and shape. Okay, as you can see, I'm making use of my bust ham. If you do not have a bust ham, make use of something that will push up the bra cups a little bit. Okay, so like I said before, hit the like button, subscribe button, also turn on your notification bell so you can always get notified every time I post a new video. I'll also pick up the other bra cup that I've pressed together. As you can see, it is still sitting perfectly, but I'll just press on it again just so it can give me this lush and beautiful look by the time I attach this to the main fabric. Okay, so beautiful designers, if you're going to be trying this out, please leave in the comment section, and also you can tag us on all social media handles. Till I see you again, my name is Gift. Bye.